नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं आपका होस्ट हीरालाल। Imagine people-to-people affection, zeal for infrastructure development, will to contribute each other's might for the welfare of each other in the region. How one feels, enjoying the local climate, local food, local festivals, local cultures, nature's beauty, mingling with the peoples of other states of India, and thus enjoying the fruits of development and growth of the country as a whole. The transport sector, especially the train services, shall definitely play a crucial role in making the life of local people as good as it is for the people in rest of the part of India. Let us see the development of train services in the northeast region of India so far. Northeast region is a fertile land with plenty of hills, rivers, minerals such as coal, petroleum, raw materials like bamboo for making papers, dolomite, etc. And what else? Plenty of rainfall, unlimited hydropower potential. But situation is not that rosy because of inadequate transport facilities. That is why the development of rail transport for mass transportation is of paramount importance in this region. The first rail line in the region came up in 1883, constructed by Assam Railway Trading Company between Dibrugarh and Saikova Ghat, with a branch line from Makung to Margarita. This railway was named DS Railway or Dibrugarh Sadia Railways. This was the beginning of rail system in Assam. Subsequently, other small rail systems came up like Jorhat Provincial Railways owned by Government of Assam, Tejpur Balipada Railway, a private firm. Both of these were narrow gauge railways, while in North Bengal, other railway systems came up. Bengal Duars Railways, BDR, Darjeeling Himalayan Railways, DHR, Cooch Behar State Railways, CSR. In 1896, the Assam Bengal Railways started construction of meter gauge Badarpur Lumbing Hill section. Because of the most difficult terrain, 36 tunnels, many viaduct bridges had to be constructed. Facing intolerable problems in dense jungle like wild animals, floodings, heavy rains, etc. It took more than 7 years to complete the rail route of 184 kilometers. This section was open to traffic in December 1904. Another meter gauge section on north bank of Brahmaputra, which now has been converted to broad gauge, was constructed by East Bengal Railway from Amingaon to Dhubri in 1909. Assam Bengal Railway and East Bengal Railway were connected via ferry services on Brahmaputra River for passenger and goods services as well. In 1941, both these railways were merged and named Bengal and Assam Railways, that is B&A Railway. Because of partition of India, only Assam Railways was left. After lot of development, Northeast and North Bengal were connected in 1951. Because of the poor services and development of railways in Northeast, a separate zone of railway, that is Northeast Frontier Railway with its headquarters at Malegaon, came into existence on 15th of January 1958. This is the present network of railways. On both sides of Brahmaputra River. To negotiate the river and minimize use of ferry services, major bridges were constructed. The construction work of Sarai Ghat Railroad Bridge was inaugurated by first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, in January 1958 and was opened for traffic in October 1962. The construction of another milestone railroad bridge, Narayan Setu, at Pancharatna over Brahmaputra River was inaugurated in November 1983 by the then Prime Minister of India, Srimati Indira Gandhi, and opened for traffic in 1998. The Northeast region is linked to rest of India through a single rail track passing through a landmass sandwiched between Nepal and Bangladesh, popularly known as Chicken Neck. The trains enter Siliguri Junction from other parts of India, passes through New Jalpaiguri, Alipurduar station, and enters the Seven Sisters region from first station in Assam, Shri Rampur. There is double rail track from Alipurduar junction to New Bongaigaon station on northern side. The trains run up to Dibrugarh town following either straight BG routes passing Rangia station and crossing Sarai Ghat bridge over Brahmaputra river and passes or terminates at Guwahati junction, or another route from New Bongaigaon station through Gwalpara town, crossing Narayan Setu over Brahmaputra river and passes or terminates at Guwahati junction. There is meter gauge rail line starting from Rangia station in northern Assam that runs trains up to Murkong Salek, covering 449.88 kilometers. This track is under conversion to broad gauge. Another meter gauge line is starting from Lambing station and runs trains up to Agartala in Tripura, covering 387.86 kilometers. This track will also be converted to BG track. The distribution of rail route kilometers in Northeast region is Arunachal 1.26 km, Assam 2283.71 kilometers, Tripura 151.40 kilometers, Nagaland 12.85 kilometers, Manipur 1.35 kilometers,
and Mizoram 1.50 kilometers. So to say, 6 out of 7 states are connected through rail network, but practically only Assam and Tripura are connected at present. Keeping in mind the strategic and economic importance of the region, railways have planned to connect all the 7 sister states from existing station Rangapada North to Bhalukpong and Harmoti to Itanagar, the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Existing station Dimapur to Kohima. From existing station Arunachal in North Kachar Hills to Tupul near Imphal, the capital of Manipur. From existing station Bhairavi through North Kachar Hills to Sairam near Aizawl, the capital of Mizoram. The existing station Badarpur Junction in North Kachar Hills has already been connected to the capital of Tripura. In addition, the southernmost part of Tripura, Sabroom, near Bangladesh border, shall also be connected by rail in future. From existing station Dudhnoi on Gwalpara route to Guwahati to Depa in Meghalaya and Azara to Barnihar passing through Meghalaya shall also be linked. Thus, in future, all the 7 sister states of Northeast region shall be sufficiently linked through railways. The 7 wonderful sisters. Not only this, all meter gauge lines shall be converted to broad gauge lines and states on both sides of the river Brahmaputra shall be linked through Bogeybill Bridge.
सन 2018 को पहली गाड़ी को पार करते ही पुल को खोल दिया गया।
With the present railway scenario, one can board the train from anywhere in India and can reach Guwahati or Dispur, the capital of biggest state of Seven Sisters, Assam.